start the system, we can see that we've got a simulation of a bottling plant loaded into the demo. And what that's doing is we've got a gauge on the screen, which is showing some pressure. And we've got some graphs on here to show the bottle being filled up. And we've also got another gauge over here, which is just giving us the fill amount that we've got inside the machine, as well as the conveyor speed. And if we just click through the HMIs here, we've also got a capping simulation, which is doing very much the same sort of thing, giving us a countdown of the number of caps that have been used. And we've also got the same for some labeling on the HMI as well. And as you can see, this HMI on the touchscreen is moving in real time with what I'm doing on the VNC viewer on the PC as well. So if we just go back to the actual bottling part of the PLC, we can go straight in and have a look at the UniLogic software again. And as I said before, we can see this in real time. We've turned the system on with the button on the HMI, and that's instantly connected the capping coil. So the capping is now on. And as we can see, what that's doing is just simulating the fill of these bottles, which is filling up. When it gets to 100, it's going back down again and starting up, just creating that simulation on the screen. And you've got the same for the pump pressure and the tank fill. We've got a system here. When the system turns on, it's storing a conveyor speed straight onto the screen. So we've got a 127 speed on the conveyor belt. When the system turns off, it's bringing the pump pressure down to 0 and bringing the conveyor speed down to 0 as well. And as you can see, this is the logic, which is resetting that value once it goes above a certain point. So when the fill level goes to 100%, it's storing a 0 in there and incrementing another bottle has been counted. And that's all displayed on the HMI, which can be seen from the actual HMI screen. If I go to the bottling HMI screen here inside UniLogic, we can see straight away that this is where the screen has been built up. We can't see it running in real time inside the UniLogic software, but that's why we've got the VNC viewer there. But this is where we've got all of the tags. We can go into one of these graphs on the screen, and we can see it is just linked straight away to the fill amount, which is the amount that we saw inside our UniLogic software, inside our ladder logic. And we've also got the pressure amount here, so I can click on this gauge, and that is straight away giving us our pump pressure tag. And it's just linked. We've just linked it directly from our ladder logic into our HMI, all in one environment. It's a really good system that I really think you're going to get to grips with nice and easily.
All your automation needs.